Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Markets and Matchups. I am joined back again with Ryan and Chris, and we'll be jumping into the markets before we start to chat footy. Okay, Chris, time to talk finance. What's been the biggest talking point across markets this week?
Yes, I think the investors are probably still reacting to interest rate expectations, and probably gold and silver and other commodity price movements too. Basically how those factor into different sectors in the market and how price moves off those. Okay,
and where are you currently seeing the most opportunity?
Probably within those sectors. So gold, there's some micro caps that I think are likely to do well, and it does depend on what happens in the Middle East and everything happening there, but I think gold's going to do quite well.
And with that, are investors becoming more optimistic or cautious?
I'd say a mix of both, probably being quite selective on certain things, which is the way you should be. But I think fair enough, everything happening globally around the world, you need to be selective on where you go into. But again, there's always opportunity out there. So I think with a bit of due diligence and research, then there's things to go into, like small cap resources, interest rate stocks, tech.
Okay, great. Now let's jump into the fun stuff. Okay, so the Warriors had a bye. So what games did you guys actually watch this week?
Well, I mean, Storm versus Tigers.
Storm Tigers,
Bit of a hurricane down in Melbourne over the weekend.
Wasn't it?
Kind of destroyed the Tigers. Tigers 2 weeks in a row. I think they've got 90 points up against them over the last 2 weeks.
Wow.
Well, over 90 points.
Wow.
So,
Good start.
yeah.
And Storm to break their losing streak too.
Yeah.
It's good to see.
It was a big result for the Storm, actually.
Yeah.
So Panthers won. We were versing Raiders, which I like it when we verse Raiders because Raiders were doing good when grand final vibes, a few years ago, whatever. So I feel like it's like a good team to compete against. And we won, obviously.
Yeah, I mean, they were pretty good last year, but I think this year they've been a bit rocky, the Raiders.
Yeah. It's not that much of an accomplishment. but good on you, Scott.
You know what is a good accomplishment is the fact that we are winning every single game and the Warriors aren't, and every other team is not.
We're coming second. We're second on the table.
I love how we still find a way to talk about the Warriors, even in bye week.
I know.
Yeah.
We're the second best team. What do you expect?
Not the first, though. Okay, any games you watched that you liked? What about
it was a big Saturday game, yeah.
Manly Broncos. Pretty rogue.
Again, how's that rogue?
It's rogue. It's rogue that Broncos lost. I thought they would win.
Yeah, I agree.
Is that okay?
But Manly are doing really well.
I didn't say random, I said rogue this time.
Yeah, sure.
Are Manly doing well?
Yeah, they are. They are. Since they had that coach change, they're doing really well.
Interesting.
But I watched the first half of that. That was interesting. They got two of these huge islanders. Oh. I wish I knew their names, but they are massive.
In Manly?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Anyway, that's
I hate Manly, so I don't actually watch them.
Couldn't tell you. Couldn't tell you. We're not the best league experts, but anyway. Bunnies Sharks too. I watched that one. Did you guys watch that?
I watched
I watched a little bit.
Yeah.
Didn't expect Bunnies to get up, especially they had
I
Latrell out.
had tipped Sharks.
Did you? So did I actually. Yeah. Latrell out. David Fafita.
The second Latrell was in.
Yeah.
Who's the second Latrell?
He
made his debut, but his name's also Latrell.
I see.
You'd probably like him, actually.
Really? Okay, I'll search him up right after
Name
this.
to watch.
Yeah.
Okay, players of the round.
I mean, not to tie everything back to the Warriors, but Will Warbrick, who's
Yes.
signing for the Warriors.
Yes, to tie everything back to the Warriors.
Yes.
Yeah.
He scored a double against their win over the Tigers.
Yes, yeah.
Pretty
That
nice
was
that.
actually, I think I watched that game. I was sitting at home with Drip, my dog, and I was
Yeah.
watching it. I like Will Warbrick. Didn't I say I liked him in another podcast? Yeah, he's my new
Roger
favourite.
smashed him out, maybe?
Roger and Will. Yeah.
Way to bring up Roger again. Oh, my gosh.
Okay, you?
Jermaine Sacco, Dolphins. He got 3 tries.
Yeah.
One of them was freakish, and then he had another assist that was like freakish as well.
Freakish. Why freakish?
Watch it. It was freakish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rogue and freakish.
Like beat
What's
three
your word of
three players and okay.
Well, who's your player of the round?
Will Warbrick.
What?
I'm allowed to say yours. I said, yeah, I watched that try. Okay, my player of the round, Nathan Cleary. Or Casey McLean. Or... That's all I can think of. Okay, Magic Round this weekend up in Brisbane. We also just opened up our Brisbane office, so
Yeah,
perfect timing. Very exciting.
Yeah.
It is. It is.
Games this weekend, Warriors versus Broncos.
Yeah. How about that?
That's pretty good, I think.
Warriors will win, obviously.
I don't think Warriors historically don't do too well up in Suncorp,
Yeah.
but
And Broncos.
let's not talk about
They'll
that.
they'll have a lot of supporters, I reckon. There's a lot of Kiwis up there.
Yeah.
Okay, any other games?
Parramatta Storm, I think. That'll be a
Yeah,
good one.
it is.
You reckon Storm will win or Para?
I mean, Storm are pretty convincing against the Tigers, so
Yeah.
I think they'll be one to beat. But obviously, Eels just won as well. So.
Didn't they play first round? And they beat them. Storm beat them like 40-something nil or something rather.
Versus Eels?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't quote me on
And
that,
Mitch
but-
Moses and Josh Adaka have not been locking in lately. So maybe Storm.
Guess we'll see.
I guess we'll see. That's it for this week's Markets and Matchups. We'll join you next week for more finance and footy.